What's up, what's up, what's up, One Nation family? One Nation stands alone. What's up, Speak My Mind Entertainment? Why people? Marcia Campbell says she find the formula. The same formula where her friend did tell her about when she attack her friend. But hey, Father God, may I tell you, you're great. People don't see me fan a while ago. I don't know where just come fly right this a while ago. So hag incident, cause no coincidence this. It's a hag incident. No one was. When you just see me go say a while ago. I want was fly there a while ago. Just as me I go say Marcia find the formula. The same formula where her friend did tell her about. You understand? And she cuss out her friend. Jesus, peace, Father God, you're great. Speak my mind, people. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You understand? Press that thumbs up when you hit the video. Remember to watch the ads and remember the backup channel is still waiting for you if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Life is a mission TV, you know? Well, my people, as I say, Marcia says she find the formula, you know. The same formula where our friend that issue out. So all you got to do is call these people name. All you got to do is call them the nicknames. Make sure you call them the nicknames. And it get her in a trouble. But no, Marcia says she find the formula. Because Marcia says she need money. Gala come up, birthday come up, Christmas so the way down so come up. And she start name all kind of things that she want money for. So she a go work with the formula. You understand? You know what is the formula? She a go start. All the way we are come on social media with is broken records. And since it we are come on social media with, to make money, she want to make money too. The same thing over and over and over. So she want to make money, so she got do it. And if she have to call 99 name, she go and call it. All when time 99 now call her name. So basically, she take it from her friend and I work with the formula. So, make we hear her, you know, cause I don't know, me like the evidence, you know, cause I don't like the propaganda and I don't like come up with the story them where it's like I me talk it. I like when I hear them. Hear it from them mouth, yeah, and then me tell you how me feel about it. You understand? So, me could start right here, so. Because even kitchen Marcia going at this evening, you know. Because as she make me know say it's like man over England must say, you know, share my video or play my video on him platform with me. I talk about the last video where me do with her. Because in the video where me hear her talk, which is this video, where me I go dissect you now. Me hear her with it and she address me, but she said she not give me no knowing, she not give me no highlight. But as I say, Marcia, there is no platform on social media that can hold responsible for my channel. The only person can hold responsible for my channel is the Planka Nation. Because without no doubt is the nation come out when I do that video with Dana where Lorraine is concerned. I'm sure know it wasn't you and your friend then. But no platform holder can take responsibility for my movements in YouTube. As I say, one guy me reach out to all of them, and all of them were big on him. He was the only one Canada lifestyle fishing adventure. Give me a shout out in the community. As I say, I'm grateful for it because the thought count. Me never know what happened. Despite I did not get any great movements when him give me that highlight, but me grateful feel. And as I say, me have a post. The post in my community, posting page, because right now, honestly, me look like me even better off than him where sub is concerned and whatsoever. Because right now, I can see him all day post some video, when I post some videos because underwater footage them man they do fishing, spear fishing. And sometimes me look, it's like him camera give him one bag of problem. Because you don't know a GoPro you have to use and stuff like that. And GoPro is very expensive. Right now me need one and it's so expensive. Me need one, but the reason why it is so expensive, but at this time, me I say why me's not a businessman, me's an investor, you know. As me tell you, you know. And if me not see it why say invest, me not invest. And up to this minute right now, me not really need a GoPro yet until me start the adventures for the next channel. So why take money 4, 5, 600 US to buy a GoPro now when I could have do something else? You understand? So, Marcia, nobody can take responsibility for my channel. Me not own no platform holder, no obligation. Because they never done anything for me. There is a few that, yes, you know, I would say probably give me a little motivation, not speech, but when you look and you see a platform come in your comment section and go so bang bang and give you a like and make a comment where you know in a business before you, it's like a motivation for you. You understand? For you know say boy, what platform they see me. You understand? So me have to give thanks, and GT Buzz are one of them, Entertainment Buzz are one of them. Chin are one of them. Who again? Couple more. I can't remember them off of my hand right now. You know, we come in and my comment and, you know, yeah, and me take that as a motivation. I think Lady in the Dark did come one at a time, I see her, you know, and a few others. So I take it as a motivation for you know, say they are there before me. And I reach a stage where it's like, from the coming and my comment or whatsoever, it's like you recognize me. So it's like a motivation. But none of them can take responsibility for the move. Well, 13 are Facebook person and stuff, so, you know. But anyway, let's get into the Marcia business, my people. Because sometimes we have a reason, you know, because them claim this, them feel like we don't have no reasoning ability, you know. But as I say, if we go over the next channel, we're not going to see that and see a whole heap of that and enough of that and see the different side of me. You understand? If you go over Life is a Mission TV, you will see the different side of me. Okay? Anyway, listen, Marcia.
Bad mind, and the way these people think about me, it's like the way they think about you. It's like the people them having in their mind say, I am so ugly, I am so unattractive that no man shall want me because of what over the fence paint a picture of me and what other people think of me. You understand? So they have it in their mind because they are so brainwashed that I am so unattractive that me, the man not supposed to talk to me. And if I may not ask you people, me not ask you, if you ever see the man them that I have been with in my life, or who speak to me, or who want me, them would have dropped. Because me myself, I know I'm a very gorgeous girl. Very gorgeous girl. So me not have to prove nothing to nobody. So they are so brainwashing themselves that I am.
Anyway, my people, you see, this is it. This is it. And this is human being on a whole. They're so jealous. They're so bad mind. They're this, they're that. But on the other hand, where I reach you is where you do exactly to other people. It's the exact thing you do other people. So where you left the other people, them to say where you do all those things too. Where you gonna say the man them where you talk to, them want to see them and them want this and you're attractive and you're this. Marcia, come on. Yes, you're attractive. But you're attractive when you put on your fandangles. As me say, you can't put yourself together and I look cheap and clean them. Give you props to that. Yeah. Color coordination, dress code, you kind of have it. But the man them attractive to you because of how you present yourself. The presentation of you when them see you. Wow, she look good here, man. That big woman there, yeah. I like her, she look good. But why can't the man them stay if you do get involved with them? Why them can't stay? Something wrong. Because after that face they wash, the makeup come off, the scuba diver glass come off, where might be a part of your makeup settings, yeah. You know, your outlook, and those little fancy cheap dresses and whatsoever you have on come off. And them start to see the natural part of you. It's not the same thing. as when you're in your little fandangos and your ears ring and your makeup and your hair and your ear this and your ear that and Tara. Different thing, Marcia. You ever stop and ask yourself that question, Marcia? Why them nasty, Marcia? Pilot a run you down, Marcia? Captain for ship a run you down, Marcia? Doctor a run you down, Marcia? Actor from Hollywood running you down, Marcia? Running you down, attractive by you, want to speak to you and talk to you, Marcia? Come here, Marcia, come here. You ever stop and ask yourself the question? Why when you get involved with whosoever you get involved with them nasty, and then you come out, come tell the people them all kind of anansi story, we have no weight to it, no evidence to it, and want the people them to believe, Marcia? Come here, Marcia. Come here. I don't want them here, because Planka Nation, them fast, you see. Every day you talk the same thing, and I know. Them fast. So come here, Marcia. Marcia, the man, where you say me, say, because I hear you address me in the video, because as I said, come like, the man, Your Majesty, play my video upon him, I don't know me, I have to go look and search after I done do that video, yeah. But to base on where you attack, says like, the man run my video upon him live. And I hear you address me. I say, look like me want to know your man, because I want your man. Marcia, shh, take time. Me I take time talk. Marcia, any man take you up. If me did a do man, me no want him. You know, you have to take time talk. Marcia, why the man have to come out 5 o'clock a morning time? You say, because all me know say, the man play the video for true, you know. The nurse part when me I talk about Marcia, me hear you say, you talk about the man, woman, and nurse. So what you want to tell me, say, him can't find no time for him that me yard New Year's Eve, him that me yard this a day, that the day. So she unlucky that she always there work and she can't get no time with the man we have fear one. So you prove say fear man, Marcia. Marcia, so why him have to come out so early? If him not have no woman then, Marcia, let me tell you the reason why him come out so early, Marcia. It is not a pretty sight when you wake up and the man wake up and see you without your makeup, Marcia. So the man have to try come out before daylight. You understand, Marcia? That's why I'm come out. Come out before daylight. Because it's not a pretty sight. Come like some of them man, when they go a dance at night time and then buck up the woman them. One month of makeup. One month of this and one month of that. So them look good, look attractive. But you see when you carry the woman in your yard, after a period of time, as a matter of fact, most of them buck the girl them on a one-off thing. Girl get nice and girl get wild and frightened if you care. And frightened if you see a man in a dance, a floss, a buy box of liquor. So right away she not take time for no man, she run down with man. So you know what? Man wake up with her early morning. And when man wake up and see sight her in the bed, man can't afford to make daylight catch her. So if a hotel, he could call taxi early to carry her home or tell her, say, boy, you know, so me get some business call, me have to go reach her so XYZ time just to get rid of her. Or if I fear her yard, him go, wish if man have them money, me not gonna get yard if me have my money, you know. If me have my money, I ain't a dance and floss and have them the big pretty car there. Me no see the woman we below my standard, I go come get me guy yard. If the one we help you so over my standard, now go can't get me guy yard so easy. Me want to see why the one we below my standard I'll get me guy yard. If you run risk with my 3 point, I don't know who you have. Cause enough time who no woman left man in and the man no left who no. And as the man soon with another man, you know, a jealousy, and then him not take time to think him want to hurt the man when him see. So basically, the man should be out early before daylight. So that man said, the man just go home early. You understand? Yeah.
Don't own a house. And me alone in America long I don't own a house. What else? Oh, you live in a one ghetto, one low project neighborhood. And me can't call the people in place, whatever. Me thank God me live here. Oh, Mr. Roach in your house for one buckle. Oh, the one wanna set on it? The one wanna put on it from out of the app? Wanna care go put on it?
So, at first, I admit say boy probably yes a one roach get to because them place a full of roach. Now you say it's an app. Well, me no know you know. Me never did it. Me never did your house and also put the app roach on your buckle. Them kid.
Eh? From uno see that one day. Have you people see anymore? Have you people you have any more now to seek it? Vault out they wanna see? From uno see the one wanna put pan the water but from the put pan the orange juice bottle. Have you seen any more? And I sitting in my house and name some of the sweetest food. So you could tell me now, say me sit down and name them the sweet food there. And not
Marcia, probably, yeah, no more, them people they might not see no more. Although your ball foul says a app them use and put the roach on the buckle. Well, we know technology bad still, but me not think so. But what me I say, you sit down in your house and eat sweet food. You learn from your mistake. So when you find out say that roach there get caught on camera, cause roach bright, you know, in photogenic, you freak. Roach just cockatiss up on the buckle. Hey, the roach photogenic bad, you know. But what me expect? Now Marcia roach, so most photogenic or Marcia not photogenic. Anyway, you take eat Marcia and you clean up your place and spray out your place. And that's why you're not cooking in your kitchen. Because as we say, you're not cooking in your kitchen. So we're roach there. This is the reason why you stop cooking in your kitchen. Because when you come and eat one box food, one rice grain drop, you have to make sure you be aware now. So the rice grain clean up. But when you cook and food in your kitchen, you have food stuff in your kitchen, you can't control the roach them time there. You understand? Because food can drop all over. Plus the food stuff, the flour, the rice, the sugar, the this, the taranat, where you have a store, will be there. So it go entertain, it go invite roach come dancing in the house and do your karaoke them in the kitchen and dance. You understand? So what you do, you clean up the kitchen, spray out your place and start eat beer box soup. That's all you do, Marcia. We know that. That's why we not see no more. My people, there's a part of this clip I want to listen keenly. Marcia claims say she have some tests to go do some mammogram and some watery and a stabogram and tomogram and sonogram. So somebody in the comment wants to tell her to remember no lotion, no ear oil, no roll on the arm and whatsoever. And Marcia, I gotta say, I can't believe Marcia said this. Marcia, a few weeks ago, of course, 99, she all gave the action. Oh, who? Hold on, I saw them fat, you saw them still, I saw shake, so. I got to talk about armpit. I want to listen. Because she said, yes, me know I can't roll the roll on the arm because it test and whatsoever. And then now the armpit got the whole heap of fat underneath there. Are the same fat you did that cause AD about, you know? So you see what me I say? You try to take care of somebody and not take care of yourself. You understand? Why giving health advice to people when you now follow the same thing? Where the sense? Eh? You coming like Rasta barber, cause there's no barber where Rasta can trim me. None. No barber where Rasta can trim me. Remember me tell you that. I want to listen keenly.
no oil in me not go put no oil on my skin. Yeah, because them have to go under my armpit. Cause you know me have the fatty tissue under my armpit. But me ask the doctor if I should cut it and he say no. It's just fat because them don't find nothing in there grow. It's like it's just maybe my weight to go right under the arm. So, you know, so
this is the same thing. She cuss and describe that about fat on her. And I just look at it, just a shake her go away. So watch it. And she should give the demonstration. And as she come now, I talk about the same thing. But we did all see. So she have the same thing. So sometimes you wonder if these people in her life, them really real. Or them come from Jupiter, Mars, or Saturn. Me no know. You understand? Because you cause somebody about something. And at the same thing, you have the same problem with.
me I wait until me move. A kitchen is too small. Me want, you know, say small, no, but it's just like me want a more modern kitchen, so them not have nothing to chat say. Me want something with more poshy. This is just average. So I the boy I say me not cook because my kitchen dirty and my kitchen this and whatever it is. And me don't know which part my kitchen is dirty because first of all, me not cook in there, so and me have the things them pan it and me not all cook something. I don't know what I talk about. When me ready, me going to go cook. Me even cook this evening. Make some stew peas. whatever it is.
People, is me tell us how Marcia talk, because me say she don't cook, and the reason why she not cook. And you see, the thing is, well, me not gonna say me say it dirty, but I don't remember say it dirty. What me know, me sure me might say, is because the kitchen not stay good. And see, you say you want a more bashy kitchen because the type of person where you portray yourself to be in a phone, you could have never come show that the kitchen there. And that's the reason why you're not cook and show it. Can you imagine? Big New Year's Eve dinner or Christmas Eve dinner where you come, you boast with the fish and you boast with the mutton, but here still we couldn't see you cook, and you say your channel on YouTube the name something another cooking country style. You understand? And you as a phone person, if you even have give you everyday cooking in your kitchen, you want to tell me say Christmas Day dinner or New Year's Eve dinner, you not turn your camera in your kitchen and show where you cook? Something almost wrong with your kitchen. Me can't say your kitchen dirty, me never seen your kitchen, but me know your kitchen not tan good. And that's the reason why you not show it. If you did have one of those fabadocious, labadocious and stush kitchen, would have seen that pan blowout TV, would have seen it pan big screen and cinema, would have seen it pan all kind of platform. Because that's the person you is. You want to come brag and boast and show off. So if your kitchen did really stay good, you say, when you move and you get one nice labadocious, tabadocious and fubadocious kitchen, then you start the work your cooking. And to show you how easy it is to draw out, you come like a shoes lace. That's so you get draw out and come and show a man in a bed foot and can't show the face. You saw how quick you run go in your kitchen, go cook, and you still can't show the kitchen. The camera just stays up on the pot. With the little slush way in it coming, you know what that? Me see you show salt, fish, you show this, you show that. Me if I want all in the one pot, you did I try. You understand? But the camera just down on the pot so. Look for my 2 channel Marcia. And look when me in my kitchen. You can't see pot, you can't see kitchen. I mean I'm ashamed for show nothing if my pot. If I want the black pot them me I use so because you know after a certain time certain material the pot them the curious cover wear and tear it will have the color the same. If in a Senegal you have some people where polish them back, especially the aluminum pot them polish them back when you get them back brand new. You understand? But no shame in a film game, but only make shame in a game. So that's why you're afraid to show you like a piece of kitchen. You have to be thankful and glad for what you have. If everyone all house you have and it clean and nice, thank God. There is many when you have none. Me hear you come out and talk about them and cuss you and talk about you don't have no house. And I go on like you are going like you don't have no ambition and want a house. But it's just a lifestyle where you live. Make probably you don't have a house because you never see it necessary if you have a house. And it comes down to ambition. Every Jamaican will left yard here. No care if you go up and file in and go get citizenship. Think of owning a house, whether in America or back home. Because you never know what can happen. And as me telling you enough time, when you're foreign and feel like sound of Bertland, at any minute, the government of whichever country they can revoke on a citizenship. Them not own no obligation. First thing them can tell us the passport are feed them. Whatever you pay to get it is just process fee, but a fee them. Property of the United States government, property of the Canadian government, property of the British government. Property. Off. And of fear. You just use it to go around. So you put it in your head at any time that can revoke. So I love that foreign and boast about me a US citizen. Me a one come one day I go and like should have Jamaica, although I'm not busy that side of the story. But should have Jamaican it hit me and me I say these people what the hell? You're born Jamaican. You becomes a US citizen by some parentage or something whatsoever. That no mean the US government can't turn you out to America. That no mean you're bigger than nobody else because he's an American citizen. That no mean say you're going to our next man country and commit a breach against the law. The law can't lock you up. You're going to say, oh, I'm a US citizen, you must want hell broke loose with the US government and Jamaica. For who you? If you come and flirt the law, you feel like say the US government can't come here come dictate nothing. So why them not go all of them country with them US citizens? Because true Jamaica want like a poor pauperizing country where them can lock off them rice, them sugar, them flour, and them like donation or them give it. You feel like them can just jump and tell you nothing and breach with law and nothing come out of it? Think twice, woman. So no stop come talk about US citizen. Give thanks to no our US citizen, and that's the reason why I make use of it. Because remember, it can revoke at any given time. For one reason or the other. Because you're not a born American. I yesterday I watch TVJ News and see a ray of hope. Someone can Google it. And one couple down a country down maybe for Westmoreland or Hanover. Somewhere down there. Live a foreign from them, I must say, what, 15 year old or something like so. Now them are 50 or I must say 60 year old. They get deported and come back a yard there. And them condition is very poor, poorer than a gully. We're full of debris and old bush. Them condition is worse than a workman lot. We grow with a whole heap of shove and all kind of rubbish that's right in it. It's a church group, see them. And pick up them situation and give them a proper makeover. Fix up them house, paint it up, give the woman a makeover. When you see her before and see her after, you can't believe she's the same woman you see. You understand what I say? I remember a 40 odd years she spent in America, or 50 odd years and she young. So probably she never did a think like you, Marcia, and all the others. Owning a home is an ambition that everybody have and supposed to have. It's not everybody going to own it. You understand? But don't comes out because you end up don't find yourself in the situation owning a home and going like you don't want to own a home, and then you come with a poor, excuse about owning a home is one, but what about the responsibility of the upkeep of the home? Upkeep of home not needed every day. So you're safe towards that. You understand? But not for just come out and talk bullshit because you don't want to look pretty when things fall against you. When you come out with a little poor side shield, a shield behind it, and feel say yes, this can cover the situation. Can't cover. Sensible people are going to see beyond that. Alright?
On a child. Make the broken record begin. And names
Marcia
will be calling
find the formula.
Just as how no can call Marcia Campbell, well blood clot 99 name going to be calling too. And me no want a friend from her. Me no want a friend from them. Yes. Any name fi call, he go and call. Just as how no can come over here and call me after the name, well me a make blood clot name for una too. So as long as them out here, who no in the Hollywood system, who no in the broken record system, who no name I go call pan me video. Because phone name a call in a filmy, in a phone.
She learned the formula from her friend.
Summer is coming. Me want money to buy me dress. For wear got me gala. I don't even see a dress yet. I don't even see a dress yet because me say me not lose some weight. But with them a type of stress, yeah, them a sitting here go and you can't even lose no damn weight.
But the stress not supposed to help you if you lose weight, because them say one of the main thing of weight loss that stress, Despite some people when them stress them put on weight. But 98% of the people them when you lose weight, when you stress, you lose weight. Because you're not eat, you probably not sleep, or if you're sleeping, you're not in a proper rest. So what she say, back where she talk. Back where talk, this is the back where talk. Marcia get confused, she talk, back where talk. Back where talk. She find the formula. Her friend gave her the formula with her friend did I tell her about. So she will call down her name now. Because she know when she called down her name. Because the formula her friend tell her, Yes, man. So when she called down her name now, everybody are going to run over and look. Everybody want to hear what one. So the views are going to turn up.
So me just have to go buy the material and send go get me dressmaker. Me have a supporters from England. She's a designer. She said she's gonna make me a dress also. I don't know if she's going to do it, but I'm.
So Marcia, so you expect to get all of the money there for your gala, your birthday, we're coming up and The birthday just gone what you know. I just start planning for birthday already. I just start planning for Christmas so the way down the line. So I Donna name you can't call forget it. Donna not trouble you. So why you want to call Donna name? You gotta talk about I want the Hollywood star. No, Donna is nobody at all. You are the big deal. That's why we call him your name. And that's why we keep repeating the same thing over and over on the videos. As what you said. So don't come join the bad bunch. Come on, you're a big deal. Stay away from it.
And I will be getting in touch with the people them. We'll soon see the flyers with the people them that will be receiving the first award from Marcia organization. We Care Jamaica International Facebook Award. International Award, right? That's how we are call it. We Care Jamaica International Award. We Care Jamaica Worldwide Award. But we are calling.
You don't even know. You see, this is all about competition. No try to do no own things and try on no own things until somebody else do it. Cause a competition now you want to have with Princess, you know. And you have to keep an award show. And all know you're there second for the name where you have to keep the award show with. You have to say you have time. You should have that because it's a whole plan, so you should have all of that plan long time. You should not talk about that now.
It before me put it out. Because I don't want to go offer it to them and then them say them don't want it, accept it before me put it out. Because I don't want to go offer it to them and then them say them don't want it. They don't want to be a part of it and then me embarrass myself. So I am going to get in touch with everybody. Me know whoever me have on it.
So you see my people, not even the awardee them she not sure about it. So for sure it's just all about a competition through the whole saga with the Princess Bashura and sitting. You see me I say? So you see all these people stay? Well I mean I tell you, anyway Marcia, your friend gave the formula, you cuss her out through your name with calling her way where you feel like say she a try to say XYZ and I put you down which it never really goes so about that she forget. So no me not wrong you try the formula because the formula is calling Donna name and for you pick up for Donna. You get views whether you say plank or not. Or Ray. But I don't pick you up for Dana, but you have a bigger platform than she. Your people they might willingly come on to hear you or do what you do. But why you gonna want to attack Dana when Dana now look upon you? You understand? Attack the people them where I look at you. Go at Dashanti. Go at Dr. Love. Go at all those people who's going at you. But you're gonna say like, okay, they are affiliated to Planka Nation. You understand? Yeah, so that's why, yeah. Anyway, speak with my people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe. Bear, say hello. Say hello, Bear. Hello? You understand? Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, press that thumbs up when you hit the video. And remember to watch the ads. And please give the backup channel a subscription if you have not yet subscribed. Life is a Mission TV. Alright? Thanks for watching. I'm out. Don't see you, no bear. Look on them. Look. Look at them, bear.